saying, these officials are going to hook up with entrepreneurs on these classes, and they're going to be corrupt for the rest of their lives, something like that. Isn't that a worry, or that needs to be prevented or not?
I do think that is a worry. However, like I said, just because there is a possibility, it doesn't mean that you should nip it in the bud. Be corrupt. They will be corrupt no matter what you do. If they don't want to be corrupt, even if you try to give them, chances to be corrupt, they will still take national corrupt.
Yeah, the whole corruption argument doesn't make any sense to me. I think we've listed already a few arguments.
И с этой точки зрения, возможно, мы можем и в дальнейшем так согласиться.
Με την τιμή του επιτυχίου της τυραννίας που θα φέρουν τα